Let's make a quick and flavorful Indian-style scrambled eggs packed with the warmth of turmeric, the bite of green chillies and the sweetness of sautéed onions. Heat butter in a pan over medium flame. Once it's hot, add the chopped onions and sauté. Toss in the green chillies at this stage and add spring onion, white part. Sauté until all of this is golden brown. Add a pinch of turmeric. Stir it around. The turmeric gives that beautiful yellow hue and earthy flavor to the end result. Season with salt and any of your other favorite seasonings like pepper or oregano. Now add the beaten eggs and stir continuously, gently scrambling the mixture as it cooks. You can also add cracked eggs directly into the pan instead of beating them beforehand. As shown here, gently scramble the mixture with the help of a fork. This process has to be done in a low and slow flame. Keep stirring until the eggs are soft, fluffy and just cook through. Don't overdo this process. We want them to be moist and tender. When the eggs are almost done, still a little bit soft, sprinkle in your grated cheese or add blocks of cheese as shown here. Let it melt into that warm scramble. Mix it in gently, garnish with homemade garlic chili powder, chopped spring onion and take it off the heat. The garlic chili powder gives it a very nice and Indian twist to the scrambled eggs. If you don't want, you can just skip it. And there you go, cheesy Indian-style scrambled eggs ready. Spicy, creamy and perfect with toast, pav or straight off the pan. Today I am serving these cheesy scrambled eggs with leftover rotis from the night. If you like the recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And thanks for taking time to watch my video till the end. See you next time.